Okay, so this just arrived in the mail. I've always wanted a really nice, cool-looking WALL-E figure. I've never ordered anything like this. Apparently, it's really well made or high quality. I don't really know, but I'm excited to have a little WALL-E. Oh wow! Okay, that is neat. All right, let's keep going. Oh, my bad. Oh, look at that. It's a little WALL-E. Oh, that's neat. Okay, hang on. He's tied down in there. Wow, they really have him stuck in there. I don't want to pull on it. Good night. They really... All right, there we go. Wow. So it articulates a lot. That's cool. Wheels click up into place. Oh, that's cool. Oh, you can see the different layers, the lenses of the eyes. Something going on back here. Does this open up? Oh, there's a kind of a Earth from the movie. Oh, that's cool. Let's see what else you got. We'll put him over here. So, little fire extinguisher. Okay, so there's the boot with the plant in it. Like we got a trash cube. That's actually pretty heavy. The lunch pail. Oh, and it opens. Look at that. Okay, that's cool. The bug. And it looks like a replacement head. Okay, so yeah, it's a more weather-worn top. A replacement panel. And a disc. Okay, I'm gonna put this terrible plastic housing away. So yeah, this is beautiful. The amount of detail in here is just incredible. They did a fantastic job with this. His other little hand thing there opens up. So you could actually probably have him hold stuff. Ta-da! But yeah, so that is the Mattel Creations Pixel Spotlight Series WALL-E. Real quick follow-up. So I think I figured out why that flips out. And it's so the by and large lunchbox can hang there. He does actually open up. Trash cube fits inside. So you can do that, and then dump out the trash cube.